supplying demand. Today we have a Milwaukee unboxing and side-by-side tool comparison featuring the 2503-22 M12 Fuel and the 2902-22 M18. The M12 Fuel half-inch drill driver is a lightweight and very capable tool. It weighs 2.3 pounds, which makes it incredibly portable and great for overhead work. It also helps reduce fatigue when using it throughout the day. Measuring at only 6.6 inches, the M12 is fantastic for work in tight spaces.
Oh, heck yeah. Red lithium 4.0. It's also got all your, that's light at 2. All the way up to hardcore drill. So here we got a dryer behind us, and we're going to show you with this M12 being light pack or lightweight and small, that you can easily get in and out when you're operating on an appliance instead of using a screwdriver or having to use any type of hand tool. This can get your job done a lot quicker. So here we are. What's nice about this drill is it can fit right in your tool case, and you can pack in extra batteries for a quick release and install. So let's show you how you can get into a tight space. Alright, we're going to take off the top of this dryer. We got our Milwaukee M12 here. Small, lightweight. You can kind of move this thing around. I'm going to hold it sideways so I can reach around like this and tuck this in and get into this screw that's located right on the back side of this dryer. So here we go. You can see we got piping, we got venting down below, got lots of stuff. So this will help make your job quicker. All right, 2 screws right out. Now we can easily get to the dryer. So now we're gonna put the top back on the dryer, which, you know, a lot of times I'll actually take the screw and I'll screw it into the area first, finish it off with the drill. And every once in a while, worst thing you want to do is drop a screw behind the dryer and have to go get it. Alright, we got one in there. Now we can take our little driver here. Come over here to the other one. Get that one in there. You can easily tuck this small drill in there. Voila.
This kit comes complete with the half-inch drill driver with a belt clip, one M12 CP 2.0 battery, one M12 XC 4.0 battery, an M12 charger, and the carrying case. This tool features other great Milwaukee technology, including RedLink Plus Intelligence, which protects the tool from overloads and overheating while ensuring maximum performance, as well as Red Lithium 2.0 compact and 4.0 extended capacity battery packs. These deliver more work per charge and more work over the life of the pack than competitive batteries. The Milwaukee M18 half-inch brushless hammer drill driver kit delivers the most power in its class while maintaining its compact size. Paired with built-in RedLink power tool technology and red lithium batteries, this hammer drill provides efficient power delivery and longer battery life. The brushless drill's body is 7 inches long and only 4.6 pounds, with the XC 4.0 battery attached.
Shows you how much power the battery has. Low battery is 1 light. 4 means it's fully charged.
Sick.
This kit comes complete with the 1/2-inch brushless hammer drill with a belt clip, two M18 XC 4.0 battery packs, one M18 and M12 multi-voltage charger, a side handle, and the carrying case.
How you put this thing on there? Oh yeah, instructions. Oh, there's some hooks and there's some slots. You take this and you can undo it.
Wow.
That's nifty. Widen the hooks. Line up the hooks here. Now we're gonna just rotate them in. You're ready.
Nice.
Look at that. And when you're done, voila.
The cordless, brushless 1/2-inch hammer drill is built strong to last with an all-metal gear case and a 1/2-inch metal chuck, getting the job done every time. If you would like to enter for a chance to win the Milwaukee M12 Fuel kit that you saw in this video, click the link in the description. The entry period ends on June 3rd, 2022, and we will be contacting the winner on June 6th.